Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve Cbse Ncert textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is the last subsection from problem number 5, exercise 8.4. Problem is to prove 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a is equal to 1 minus tan a whole square divided by 1 minus cot a whole square is equal to tan square a. So that is, you are given with the three terms, 1, 2, 3 expressions, right? So either we can prove 1 is equal to 2, 2 is equal to 3, or 1 is equal to 3, 2 is equal to 3. Either the way we have to prove all the three, right? So now I'll start solving this taking the first term, 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a. So this is the one that they have given. So in the answer we have tan square a. So let us try to convert the given problem also into only tans. So 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot can be written as 1 by tan. So this I am writing 1 plus 1 by tan square a. Now take LCM. 1 plus tan square a divided by tan square a plus 1 divided by tan square a, right? So this I can write it as divided by 1, right? So this will get cancelled. So answer is tan square a. And the second term, if we take, this is given as 1 minus tan a whole square divided by 1 minus cot a whole square. So that also can be written as simply 1 minus tan a divided by 1 minus cot a whole square, right? So this can be written like this. So again, try to convert all cots into tans. 1 minus tan a divided by 1 minus 1 by, tan a whole square, right? Now if you take LCM here, this will become 1 minus tan a whole square divided by tan a minus 1 divided by tan a whole square, right? So this can be written as now 1 minus tan a whole square divided by 1 multiplied by tan square a divided by tan a minus 1 whole square, right? So here this is of the form a minus b whole square, this is b minus a whole square. Both are one and the same, right? So whether you take a minus b whole square or b minus a whole square, formula will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. So the answer is again tan square a. So hence both the identities are proved here. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.